All right, now, so I don't want to implement something new in this video. I just want to go ahead and, validate the forms that I have right here. All right, so if we look over here, you can see that we have two forms only. We have the update details and the update CV form right here. So I want to go ahead and, validate those. So if we just go right here, and like leave this empty, Facebook the Facebook input empty, and if we click update, you can see that it's gonna display an error right here. The Facebook cannot be null, which we left it. Yeah, we made it so it will be actually, we cannot accept nulls. So the user should actually enter his Facebook right here. So all right, so let's actually go ahead and do this. So if you just go to the user's controller, we go to the update details right here. We can start with this right away. So if we just go request right here, and if we just go validate, and if we go right here, and if we validate the name, all right, so we can just go required, and this will make this required. All right, so we do not want any of this. We just want required. So this will actually make this field required, so the user cannot leave it empty now. And we can also add something like max, and we can specify the number of characters. So I'm just gonna leave this like 40 characters or something. All right, so let's copy this and paste like a couple of times. So the job title right here is also going to be required, and it's going to be like, yeah, I'll leave it as this. And for the bio, right here, we're just gonna make it so it will be required, and the text, for the bio, it's going to be unlimited actually. All right, so here is Facebook. So the max right here, it will be 140, and there is Twitter, which is gonna look a lot more like Facebook. So let's also copy this, and this will simply be just LinkedIn. So yeah, let's actually save this whole thing right here. All right, so let's actually refresh this now. All right, so we want to display the messages, if we have any errors, because for example, if we now go ahead and update this. All right, so it's not gonna actually update, but if you look over here, you're gonna see that the Facebook is still the same, and we can already see the data inside the input right here. But we want to show the image. We want to tell the user that he left this empty or something. So what we want to do is we want to go to auth, and we want to go to login, for example. Well, actually not controllers. We want to go to routes. So we want to go to views, and we want to go to auth, and we go to login. And now we can just grab these right here, this code. All right, and this will allow us to simply just go ahead and let's go edit details. If we go ahead, let's see down at the bottom, and if we paste this in, so this will allow us to know that we're leaving this empty. So this will be name. We're gonna set this name like that. All right, so just save. Let's now try to go ahead and actually leave the name empty. This cannot be empty right here. So if we just click update, so there we go. We should see the message. So we're not seeing the message. Which, all right, so edit details, error, name. This is weird because we should actually see this name right here. Let's see this message right here, and which is gonna tell us that you left this empty or this input is required. So let's copy this and let's try to do it. There's some other. It's right after input. It's right after input. We should put it like right after input. So let's cut this. And let's go right after the input right here. Let's paste. All All right, so let's just save this. All right, so once again, just try to leave this empty and click update right here. All right, so it's not displaying, still not displaying the error. So let me just, all right, so there is actually a way, another way to work with the error messages right here in the blade. So just go ahead and add if errors has Facebook, you know, and just write in this paragraph and end f this right here. All right, so this is the one for the Facebook right here, and we did it outside of the div. All right, so I want to go ahead and copy this. I want to go at the name right here and paste this in. So yeah, let's just copy this, paste once again. I also need to add this this should actually be outside of this div, so let's just paste it right here. I want it also to be right here. So let's just copy this. All right, so this is bio right here. Oh, let's just copy this. There is Facebook, yeah. So there is also Twitter. All right, so once again, just do it, you know, lastly to LinkedIn. So just save this. All right, so there we go. Now if we just go ahead and remove this, and if we click update, all right, so we will go back and this will be displayed. The Facebook field, you know, is required. Let's go ahead down over here. Let's add like too many characters for Twitter, for example. And if we just click update, if we log down here, as you can see, the Twitter field must be not greater than 140 characters, which we set right here for Twitter. So yeah, this is actually all. You know, you can also do this for the edit CB right here field, but you know, I already showed you how to do it, so I'm not gonna do it right here, not to make this video too long. So again, just write the request like this for the only CV, and go ahead and copy one of those right here and change the name, and change this right here to CV, those two. All right, in the edit CV page, of course. And yeah, this will actually be all. So this is, this is everything I want to show you in this video, and I will see you on the next one.